Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. So guys, I've been working at home for the past month now because of the whole COVID situation and trying to stay home with the kids. So this is my thing, I can never catch David with a prank because he's so aware. But I notice that every day him come upstairs and him drop asleep and him start snore down the place. Him snore till I can't even focus on work. So anyways, I decide say I go catch him and pepper him out. From when I try catch him and can't catch him because he's so alert. So anyways, today now I go try it and I hope it work. Wanna stay tuned, I go pepper boy him out because him always a catch me and do some fat. I'm never yet catch him. David is the type of person, baby, when me say baby I snore or whatever. If me no snore, you hear yourself and whatever. Me no snore. Me is a man when I snore from me know myself. Me never snore. That's David's reaction. Whenever I tell him say me snore, I'm like, sometimes it's hard for me to sleep as well. When I hear some me snore, I'm not afraid for some snore. At this point, I'm not scared because him already catch me, so I know about it. Anyways, now I catch him, pepper him out, and met with same reaction. Stay tuned. man. I can't even focus at work. Wake up. Say team wifey. I catch you. I finally catch you. Say team wifey, please. Please, babe. Yeah. Say team wifey. I finally catch you. Don't put it in your eye. Say team wifey now. Team wifey. Yay! Tell the people them thanks. Come. Wait, turn on the camera, Tiff. I can't even turn. Come now, babe. Say thanks for liking, sharing. Come now, babe.
Yes, man.
Wake up, man.
Sure.
I make like day, I can't even focus on work. I be snoring and snoring down the place. Come, man.
Alright, yeah.
Thanks for liking.
Okay, close your one video now, man.
Close it then. We are close it together.
Man.
You saw your BF? Get up, man. I catch you.
Get up, man.
You want you snore them too. You wild it out. Guys, I finally catch him. Come. Thanks for liking, sharing,
subscribing.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Your mouth a burn, man, with the truck. Stop, man. Your mouth a burn.
You saw all when you put up my snoring video, my gut, you see it? You put up too much video and me scare me with lizard. You have to pepper your mouth because you chat too much.
Give for them some water, man. Have some water the window. Jeez, I'm mouth a burn, man.
Mine rub it in your face.
That's why you have to stop now, man.
Come. I like it, come and catch you, I catch you.
No,
wait, no, I catch you. You know it feel good.
Jesus, please, man.
So guys, I do the prank already. I'm back at work. David gets up. He never want to have the video right for me. So I just want to say thank you for liking. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Guys, I'm kind of shaking because I know say David will come back from a real hard. Everything but my jump. Anything but my jump. I'm going to know say I come back with something epic. So just stay tuned and I'm going to see him up. But, catch it.